Every second, something extraordinary happens beneath your skin. A silent, tireless river is flowing, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and life itself to every corner of your body. That river is your bloodstream. And inside it lies an entire microscopic world, one that never stops working, even when you sleep. But what's really flowing through your veins? And how does this invisible system keep you alive? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the human bloodstream. Visuals, cinematic zoom through skin, red glowing tunnel filled with floating blood cells. Section 1, the living river of life. Your bloodstream is more than a liquid. It's a living highway, connecting every organ, every muscle, and every thought. At the center of it all is your heart, a muscular pump roughly the size of your fist. It beats about 100,000 times every day, pushing around 5 liters of blood through an intricate network of vessels that could stretch over 60,000 miles, long enough to wrap around the Earth 2.5 times. Each beat of your heart sends a wave of life rushing through arteries, weaving through tissues, and returning through veins. Visuals, macro animation of blood cells moving through arteries, zoom out to full body vessel map. Without this flow, even for a few minutes, everything stops, the brain shuts down, organs fail, and life ends. Section 2, what's really inside your blood? At first glance, blood just looks red. But under a microscope, it's a bustling metropolis. Red blood cells, shaped like tiny discs, make up almost half of your blood. Each one contains millions of molecules of hemoglobin, the protein that binds oxygen. These cells travel from your lungs to every cell in your body, dropping off oxygen and picking up carbon dioxide to carry back. Then come the white blood cells, your body's defenders. Some patrol your bloodstream constantly, looking for signs of infection. Others hide in tissues, waiting to ambush bacteria, viruses, or anything foreign. And then there are platelets, the repair crew. Whenever you get a cut, they rush to the scene, clumping together to stop the bleeding and signal your body to start healing. All of this floats in plasma, a clear yellowish fluid that makes up more than half your blood. Plasma carries nutrients, hormones, and waste. It's the water of life your cells depend on. Section 3, how circulation really works. Your bloodstream moves in a perfect loop. When your heart contracts, it pushes oxygen-rich blood out through arteries, delivering energy to every part of your body. Once those cells absorb the oxygen, the used blood, now darker and filled with carbon dioxide, returns through veins to your heart. From there, it's pumped into your lungs, where carbon dioxide is exhaled and fresh oxygen is inhaled. Then, the cycle begins again. This entire process from heart to body and back again happens in less than 60 seconds. That means your blood makes over 1,400 trips through your body every single day. And if you ever wonder why your veins look blue beneath your skin, it's just the way light passes through your tissue, not the actual color of your blood. Section 4, the bloodstream at war. Your bloodstream isn't always peaceful. Sometimes, it's a battlefield. When bacteria or viruses invade your body, white blood cells sound the alarm. Within seconds, millions of immune cells rush to the infection site, releasing chemical signals and engulfing the invaders. If you've ever had a fever, that's part of the battle, your body heating itself to make it harder for viruses to survive. Your blood even carries antibodies, unique molecules that remember enemies you've fought before, so next time, your body can destroy them faster. Section 5, the message is within your blood. Your blood isn't just physical, it's chemical communication. When you're stressed, hormones like adrenaline flood your bloodstream, raising your heart rate and sharpening your senses. When you eat, insulin travels through your veins, telling your cells to absorb sugar. When you're in love, hormones like oxytocin and dopamine flow through your system, creating feelings of warmth and attachment. Every emotion you feel, every thought you have leaves a trace in your bloodstream. Section 6. The meaning of every drop. Your bloodstream is the thread that ties your body together from the smallest cell to the most powerful organ. It carries life, heals wounds, fights battles, and delivers the messages that define who you are. So next time you feel your heartbeat, remember it's not just rhythm. It's the sound of life itself, flowing endlessly through your veins.